Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. I'm Lahari and welcome to our new series, #Bigness Guide. And video for today is how to curl or straight your hair using a straightener. So as these videos are a beginner's guide series, I'm gonna tell you guys how to curl your hair and straight your hair in detail just using a straightener. It's gonna be really interesting guys, and it's gonna be really helpful for you. And also I'm gonna tell you guys a few products which are really important for your hair before you use any straightener or put heat on your hair. So just before we start this video, I wanted to show you guys something that I did, something new. Yeah, I did this green eyeliner as you can see, and I think it turned out to be really good. Do tell me in the comment section below whether should I do it or not, whether you liked it or not. So yeah, let's get started. Before I start showing you guys how to curl or straight your hair, I'm going to talk about these two products. One is an serum and another one is an heat protectant. These are must for your hairs before you put any heat or straight your hair. So talking about the serum that I use Matrix Biolane 6-in-1 Serum Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum. Smooths and controls frizzy hair. This one is a serum that I use, and this one is really good serum. It retails for $295 100 ml of product, but it's always available on Nykaa for 250 rupees, and I got it for 200 only on a sale. So yeah, you can definitely try this one. It's a really good serum. It's a 6-in-1 serum, but the things that I felt based on my personal experience are it definitely smooths your hair, it gives you that shine, and it works as a heat protection also. You can try it in different ways. You can use it before you do straightening, or you can also use it on your wet hair on a regular basis. So yeah, do try this one. It's a really good serum. So why do you need a serum? So you need a serum to control your frizzy hair, and you need that smoothing effect, and also to make your hair shine. So I'm gonna show you guys how can you apply it in different ways.
Now take a few drops of these serums into your palm and place it in between your fingers. Run your fingers all over your hair length. Remember, not onto your scalp. And that's it, you are done.
So next up is talking about these heat protectants. The one that I use is from Toni & Guy Heat Protection Mist. So guys, please know the difference between this serum and a heat protectant. The application is completely different. This one can be used on a regular basis after your hair wash as a serum, but this one cannot be used as a serum. This one was supposed to only go when you use a straightener. It's a heat protectant, so don't go with this one on a regular basis. Use this one before you do a heat or like straightening. Yeah, I hope you guys got the difference. Talking about this one is a 150 ml of product for 750 rupees. I know there are many other products in the market, but this one is the best heat protectant in the market which is available, and this one is my personal favorite again because I've been using this one since a longer time and it works really well. Again, it also controls frizz and locks the moisture that can be faded out by these heating tools like straightener and curler. So you definitely need an heat protectant before you do any kind of straightening, because you don't want to make your hair dry, damaged. So do try to invest on a good heat protectant, because that is something that you are doing really good for your hair. Just protecting your hair is really important before you style your hair. So definitely try this one. But if you're someone who don't do straightening on regular basis, who do a very minimal heating tools like straightener or curler, then you can definitely go with this serum, which comes within 2-in-1 like serum and heat protectant. You may have a doubt like, why do I use a serum which has a heat protectant and again a heat protectant? Because I do an extra care for my hair, because I use straightening on regular basis and I know that I'm damaging a lot of my hair, so I don't want to do that. So for an extra care and extra protection, I use this one. If you are someone who don't do the straightening on regular basis, then you can definitely go with that serum. So yeah.
Now spray the heat protectant all over your hair lengths And do not forget that you should not apply it onto your scalp, and don't forget to apply a heat protectant before you do any kind of straightening or curling. Now let's straighten your hair. For straightening my hair, I'm gonna use this Philips Selfie straightener. This is such a good straightener, guys, and it's really affordable. And it's not a cordless straightener. It does come with a cord, and yeah, it works really well. I've been using this from 2 years, and I've been loving this one. Now the first step is sectioning your hair. The thicker the hair, the more sections you need. People with thin hair can skip this step or divide it into 2 or 4 sections, while people with the thick hair may need more. Now I'm gonna take the first section and secure the rest with this clip. Now place this flat iron 1 to 3 inches above your scalp. Close the 2 heated slides together with the hair between them. Straightening too close to your scalp may damage the roots or burn your scalp, so be careful, guys. Now run the iron down the length of your hair and maintain the same pressure throughout your hair length, and that's it. Once you have finished one section, up in the next and repeat the same. And we are done, guys. Now let us see how we curl our hair using the same straightener. Now take a section of your hair and feed between the clamps of the flat iron. Now after that you have put this section, take the same section above the flat iron and just make a twist. Make the 2 to 3 twists until it becomes tight, and you don't need to be more tight, just a little bit that you can glide. Now glide it towards the ends of your hair. After that I'm just twisting it with my hair and holding for a second so that it stays really well. And now as you can see, I'm doing the same for the rest of my hair. The smaller the sections, the curlier your hair will be. So if you want to switch it up and go for some super tight curls, then part your hair less than 1 inch. And also don't forget that you have to place the iron away from your face because you don't want to burn your face, guys. You can slightly loosen them up to give that natural look if you want. And that's it, we are done.
So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it helpful, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section below whether you liked it or not, whether it was helpful for you or not. If you have any doubts, you can definitely comment down below. I will love to reply them. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do also follow us on Instagram. The link will be in the description box. Please show us a lot of love and support. We really need that. And yeah, till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.